Breakfast at Hardee's. That's the way to get the day going. Alright guys, so the Mach 1 hasn't been getting a whole lot of love lately, I know, but just don't have a lot of money to throw at it right now. Been doing a few things to the JL Wrangler, and we need to get this channel back to 1,000 subs so I can get some money to put in the Mach 1. But anyway, I do have a video for you today though. It's funny because it's one of my old cars, a car that I used to have that my buddy owns now. It's an it's an 08 model GT. So it's a 3-valve car, stick shift. And when I had the car, it was pretty much stock. But since he bought it, he's done a whole lot of things to it. He's put long tubes, full exhaust on it. I think it's got gears in it, you know, bolt-on mods on the motor. He's done quite a bit of stuff to it. It's really loud and it's pretty fast, but my 99% stock Mach 1 can still stay ahead of it to the top of 4th gear. So that wasn't acceptable for him. So what he did was he bought a Paxton Supercharger kit, and him and his brother and myself and my father, we all worked on the car, put a lot of hours in on it, and finally got the Paxton kit installed, which, by the way, the instructions are horrible on those kits. So if you ever buy one of those things, plan on spending some time on it trying to figure out what the heck you're doing. But anyway, we finally got it on. We've done like 4 or 5 of those kits. Seems like everybody in our group gets the Paxton kits, but we're going to take it to the dyno today. So I know I've been telling you that we're going to do the Mach 1. We're going to get it on the dyno, and that's coming. It's coming pretty soon, one of these days. But for today, hey, we're going to go over here and hang out with my buddy and do a little video. We're going to see what his car can do, what the 3-valve car can do with the Paxton kit on it. I think he did pulley it down just a little bit from stock, you know, how the kit comes. I think he put one size different pulley on there to get a little bit more out of it. So should be interesting to see what that car will do. We're thinking maybe 470, 475 at the tires, but I don't know. That's what he's thinking. I don't know if it'll do quite that much, but it should be close. Should be close. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll show you some clips from what the car sounded like when we first started it up the other night. We had a little bit of an air leak or something, and it made the car sound like it had a really nasty cam in it, even though it didn't. And then we'll do some clips showing you how the dyno runs go here in just a little while, okay? So thanks for watching. Stick around for a minute. Alright guys, here we go. Man, now it's pouring.
bit through here, like talking like 7 horsepower. So I mean, not much. But it made a big difference was up here. Now the reason why, that's where the knock sensor is coming in. So the fact that it's picked up, that means that what the knock sensor is picking up is not actual detonation, because if you're really getting that detonation, you're running more timing, you're not going to pick up powder. Okay. So that pretty much confirms that it's false knock.
Alright guys, so we had to make some changes to it because the intake air temperature sensor wasn't in the right place. So we're going to do one more pull here and see what she does. There we go. Now we're talking. $472. Alright guys, so here's what's up. He made 472 on that last run, but the dyno technician said it's got a little bit more in it. So they turned it up just a little bit more. And that last one that I didn't get video of was 494. So he's getting real close to that 500 wheel horsepower number now. And I think they're gonna hold it right here, just on, you know, the air on the side of safety. Ain't no sense in scattering parts all over the interstate, you know. Power's fun, but there's a limit. So looks like this 3-valve is gonna leave here making right at 500 wheel horsepower with this Paxton kit on it, doing 9 pounds of boost. Not bad at all. So now we got to get the Mach 1 up here. That's the next project. Thanks guys.